Today let's talk about how to fix M-Pesa not working Kenya. Now there can be a few cases to this. Firstly, you need to check if the issue is with the application. So if you already have the application of My One app downloaded onto your phone, the first thing that you could do in this situation is try to switch off the Wi-Fi, because these applications do not work on Wi-Fi. Instead, they ask you to use your mobile data. So if that is also the case with you, first of all, switch off the Wi-Fi that you have currently enabled and use this application via the mobile application. By doing this step alone, you should be able to solve this issue. But however, if this is not the case for you and the application is still not opening up, this is happening due to app bugs. So what you could do is just reinstall the application of My One application or the My One app onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.